Hi everyone, my name is Nuno Fonseca. I'm the founder and CEO at Sound Particles, and it's a pleasure to be here to share with you a new product that we are releasing today called Explorer SFX Cloud. As you may know, we released Explorer a few months ago, an application that allows you to manage your collection of sound effects. So you import the sounds that you have in your computer into the application, and then you do all the search when you are looking for the right sound. You do small tweaking, and then you spot the sound effect to your favorite digital audio workstations. Of course, there are additional features in the software. For instance, some of my favorites, it's the ability to create whooshes with a single whoosh effect that convert any sound effect into a whoosh, or eventually the ability to sort results by brightness, allow you to quickly find that low end kind of sound effect that you are looking for. And of course, being a Sound Particles product, there is a lot of special audio features. For instance, the ability to convert ambisonics recording into Dolby Atmos, or the auto decoding of ambisonics into your studio, or binaural monitoring. And of course, there is one particular feature that everyone likes, is that it's free. Today we are releasing Explorer SFX Cloud, add-on to Explorer that allows you to access over 100,000 sounds in the cloud that were created by some of the best experts in sound libraries in the world that have partnered with us. So pretty much how does it work? Well, now when you are doing a search in Explorer, you're going to have these two buttons, local and cloud. So if you select local, means that you are searching something but only within your local sound files. If you are selecting cloud, means that you are selecting sounds only from this cloud repository of sound effects, but most of the times you're going to have both selected because you simply want to find the right sound effect. Doesn't matter if it's local from your collection or if it's coming from the cloud. Also, when you are navigating through the results, you're going to see this small icon with a cloud on all the sounds that are coming from the cloud, for you to know if this is a sound local or if it's coming from the cloud. As I mentioned, Explorer SFX Cloud is going to be released as an add-on to Explorer. It's going to be a subscription with the price of $19 a month or $199 a year if you prefer a year subscription. And then a percentage of this value is then shared with the partners that provide the sound. To be honest, we have been working with this on this cloud solution over 4 years now, and I think it's going to be a win-win situation for everyone, because for sound designers means that you are able to access a huge repository of professional sound effects, professional grade sound quality. At the moment we are releasing 100,000 sound effects, but the idea is to continue to grow every single month, and then allowing them to have access to all of these sounds with a very low cost, and at the same time allowing the creators of sound libraries to get a much more scale effect, reaching much more people, and then having more revenue for them to continue supporting their fantastic work and creating the fantastic libraries that everyone likes to use. But don't worry, Explorer will continue to be free for those that want to manage only their local sound collection. So if you don't have the subscription, you'll continue to use Explorer as you did before, having access to all the features, to the local files, and on top of that, also you are still be able to list all the sounds on the cloud and even preview the sounds on the cloud for you to really evaluate if you really want to make the transition to a subscription or not. Also, if you have a Sound Particles subscription, you can have access free of charge to Explorer SFX Cloud. Now it's only a matter to go to our website and download Explorer 2.0 and start playing with it. You have noticed some changes also in the graphical user interface. For instance, now we've made arrange the clip gain and playback volume differently. So on the right side you continue to have the playback volume, and then on the left side you're going to have the pitch bend and the clip gain over there. So it's only a matter of start playing and take the most out of it. I hope you enjoyed this new cloud solution, and stay tuned because we're going to release some additional products in a few months that you're absolutely going to love. So have a great year, and don't forget to send your feedback because we really love to hear the opinion of our users. So once again, wishes of fantastic sounds, and bye.